From a single image, create a complete AI-powered jewelry advertisement, which showcasing the model from multiple refined angles while preserving perfect visual consistency. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make a perfect ad of your product, and also you can make a perfect video. And it is possible now by using AI. There is no need of proper photo shoot, so you can do it in just few minutes. We will use ChatGPT for this. Simply log in to ChatGPT, and if you are not registered, just log in. There is a search bar, and you will write a perfect prompt that which type of ad you want to create. For example, I am going to upload a picture where I want to show different angles of the jewelry and also the model. So how it's possible for that, I will write a perfect prompt. You can copy this one if you want to make this type of ads, if you want to make this type of pictures. Beside that, I just mentioned everything that I required, like what are the angles that I want to cover. For example, two angle, low angle, high angle, slide side angle, everything that I required, I just write here in the prompt in a chat GPT. So what I wanna create or write a perfect prompt by using ChatGPT for Gemini. So I will mention all the requirements that I have now. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will write a prompt for me. So now you can see they just start making a writing prompt in just few seconds. It will get complete. So for each angle, now you can see ChatGPT write separate lines that I can copy and create angles by using Gemini. So without wasting any time, let me open Gemini and we will do it right now. So just log into Gemini if you are not logged in. So when you get enter, so there is a search bar and also there is some options. So click on tool and click on create image. Beside that, just select option of thinking as well. If that is not selected, so just click on that. And also now upload the picture that you want to use. So when you upload picture and also the prompt that you just created by using ChatGPT, when you paste it here and submit, so in just few seconds, Gemini will create, or you can say, make a model pictures with the jewelry that I mentioned in a prompt. In just few seconds, now you can see they just created a perfect picture from the angle that I mentioned. It's really look very clear and very beautiful. Everything is quite clear. The jewelry is clear, the model is clear, and also the lighting, everything is amazing. So you can simply download from the upper portion. There is an option copy and share, and there is option of download. Simply you download it if you want. Beside that, if you wanna cover another angle, simply upload that picture again. And also the prompt that you created by using ChatGPT, simply upload it here. And according to that, Gemini will, you can say, uh, create another angle. So now you can see they just covered another angle, which is really amazing. And again, the lighting, everything is quite perfect. So by using the same methodology, you can cover different angles, different pictures. You can use different jewelry. You can say change in a picture. So this is the process that you will use for all angles. It's really simple. Just upload the picture and write the prompt that you created by using ChatGPT. Prompt means the requirements that you have for your model picture, and also you can say for the ad that you want to create. So it's really simple, but it's really very creative thing. So for this time, I created a close-up of the jewelry. You can download all pictures and also you can create animation video. So you can use all these pictures and turn that to a video. You can see there is some videos on my channel. You can watch that, and according to that you can make animation video that you can use for proper ads. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Have a good day.